Hi there, back in the House of Horrors in this dirt pit, and it looks like I'm going to be doing more work than planned because there is damp in the property, and it has had damp treatment works done, but not very well. And I can show you on here. So this wall is absolutely saturated, and now the render that's come off the wall, which is this here, has done the job because it's not giving a reading. But then when I turn it over, it is damp on the back. And I think the reason it's falling off is because the walls were previously plastered with black lime, and they've not done a good job of preparing the wall to receive a cement-based render. And cement renders are attacked by the sulfates in black lime. Had it been a white lime, it wouldn't have been a problem, but there's fly ash and coal dust and all sorts of stuff in black lime, which reacts with cement-based products. Hence why it's falling off in great big lumps. So I've got a big hole here that I'm going to have to make good. Any bits of holes in the brickwork are all going to need pointing up. And to kill the lime, I'm going to use SBR, which is basically a PVA, but it's a high quality builder's PVA, and that will separate the black lime from the render, and then that'll allow it to adhere properly. But also I'm going to have to wash the walls down first as well, just to get rid of as much contaminate as I possibly can, so to help it adhere in future. Right, thank you for your time.